what is still missing to accompany this sort of the uptake of the economies is some fiscal support at the EU level beyond what has already been announced, because what has been announced so far has to do with the dealing with the crisis proper, but less so with financing the recovery. And a lot of how we exit this will depend on the confidence that is in consumers and businesses that the recovery will happen. We know that part of the recovery will depend, of course, on the health determinants themselves, the testing, the vaccines, the treatment, but also the economic support. And that's where we're looking for more action on behalf of the EU. Hopefully next week we will have some news from the European Council in this respect.
What has the pandemic done to Greece's economy?
Output this year is expected to drop anywhere between 5 and 10%, probably closer to 10% than to 5%. So according to the IMF, Greece's economy will suffer more than any other economy in the Eurozone. So, and this is terrible for a country which has gone through a very, very difficult period, which was seeing now better days. GDP was supposed to go up between 2 and 3% this year. And part of the problem is, of course, that we're very reliant on tourism. And that's a broader also European problem, because yes, we're coming out of lockdown, but will the internal market function? Will transport links be there? Will people be allowed to move around? That's an issue, because even if the restrictions are lifted, people will be reluctant to do so. And they will be reluctant until the health picture becomes clearer. So in Greece, we're expecting a very bad 2020, and the hope now is that 2021 will see a recovery. The reaction to the health issue has been swift, and we have some of the best statistics in Europe on this. The government has rolled out a number of measures to help the economy. The problem is that even those measures are not going to be able to avoid a very deep recession. And the question is how much of a fiscal space the government will have to continue these measures even in 2021. And that's where European help will become very, very important to therefore allow that in 2021 we have a robust recovery even in Greece.